Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet bat subscribe ya u Antonio.
Kublai fi baro kini kilong ki kubor bam ta kasngi. U menteri rang ba kajela Meghalaya u kanrat ke sangma menta kasngi u lapalai pai ba ya kajintmu jong ka health salute da u PA sangma International Medical College bat hospital PIMC ban kentiu ya kajingla ban yo ya kajing sumar hakeleng kajela. Ka program katmu ban penbiang ya kajingket jingba shwa ban leit sha hospital na ka benta kinong pang bat kinong sumar jongki ban pentikna bakin yo ya kajaka sumar ka ba khambha khamtam ha ki jaka nong kendong bat sor haba keren ha kane kajinyalang u menteri rang ba kajela ula banjur ya kajin don kam jong kane kajin thmu da ka ba ong kane kade kajing persyang kaba kerpang bat kaba don kambha da ka PIMC wat hap deng kajing e banseng ya ka college sumar kajaka pule kala shim ya kisinjam kiba shim khia ban panbha ya kajingla ban yo ya kajing sumar kajing shakri jong ka health salute kan om ajimentoi tang ya kinong kendong Henry kan penkhlain ru ya kan network jong ka koi kakhia hanong ba Shillong bat Shabar. Ka menteri ka koi kakhia ka Dr. M Amperin Lingdo kabaladon lang ha kani ka jing pelai pajwa kalapan pau ya ka benta jong kum kini ki jing thmu ha ka ban pendap ya ki jing duna ha ki jing tei jong ka koi kakhia kalai kawan kadang long kajing khanglat kaba kongsan ha kaba yo ya kajing sumar ha kabor kaba biang kajing penrung ya kini kajing syakri salute kan ai ya ka rukom trekam kaba labu renti ha kajing ya lenti jong kinong pang kham tam e na kabanta kito kiba na kithan kiba duna kajing syakri kala ong haba ajing kren ha kani kajing yalang pli pajba u councillor jong ka USTM hoki u lapen pau haba kajin syakri jong ka help salute kan sedang da ki shitali ki kali pratali ki dei ki ba kerpang na kabenta ki jaka nong kendong bat pratali ki than sor ki ba syakri kentup ya kanong ba Shillong ha ka ba sedang ki urban sal setel kin trekam hapo kanong ba Shillong rengkat ki kendon ban penhe kat kum kajin dawa ban pensuk shushu ya ki jin trekam ka PIMC kathmu ban penrung ya ka application mobile ka ba penla ya ki nong pang ban book ya ki kali kat kum ke jin don kam ya kani ka jin yalang pajba kabala penlong haying sa jong menteri rang ba kajela la shim menta da ki nong shim menta bakongsan bakan thup ya u Professor GD Sharma u sembut nong kit kam jong ka STM u Professor Meghalaya da kani ka jin thmu ka PIMC ka thmu ban penklan ya ka benta jong ka kum ka jin sumar ka jaka sumar ka ba penlai jinmut ha ka imlang salang bat pentikena da ka jin sumar kandang long kabala banyo kaba kentup lang yibaro.
This is really something very, very unique as well as something really amazing that PIMC is doing. Especially keeping in mind that it has hardly been few months since the college has started, and especially keeping in mind the challenges that you have faced and we have faced in the many months before that to make PIMC active. And in spite of the challenges, you are still moving ahead at a very, very fast speed in all the work that you do. It just clearly reflects the commitment that you have towards the institute, towards the cause, towards the people, the students. And that is really what is the driving force behind how USTM is growing and PIMC is growing. So I really am very happy to see the kind of innovative work that's going on. And I would like to thank the Chancellor and the Vice Chancellor, Hawk Saab, and others for this great initiative. And I'm sure this will go a long way in not just building the brand of PIMC as truly a medical college with facilities to serve the people in the rural areas. But while you build your brand, you will also be serving the people in a very, very positive way in terms of the healthcare services that you'll be providing to them. So it's a great initiative. I congratulate you, and I wish you and this program and PIMC and USTM the very best. Thank you so much.
And this is just a beginning that we.
I was just telling our Commissioner Secretary, I think problem of doctors will slowly recede as we move ahead in the future.
Thank you.